Welcome K-Poppers to the unboxing of the GOT7 Arrival Edition Never Ever of JB. Alright, time for the unboxing. So as you can see with JB, he's got the cute little dots there. They've given him 1, 2 and 3 earrings, giving him cute little blushies and his cute cheeky little smile. He's got wearing a jacket, got some good detailing on there. And then underneath it is the jumper. The jacket, you can kind of take it out of his arm and take it off of him. Gets a little bit too hot. There we go. He's got his nice little jumper. Got black pants, brown little shoes. The detail they get onto these dolls is quite cute. I love the label. And that's our GOT7.